How to block times for personal appointments or matters or for staff meetings is quite easy. Within the calendar, you have this coffee cup right here. When you activate it, then it is going to show you the different times that are available to block, or by clicking here. You can just go directly on it. And then from here, you will be able to schedule time off. You can add a title to it. If this is a staff meeting, you can just set it as a staff meeting. If it is just a space that you want to block, day off, for example, then this is the whole day. This is the practitioner, and then you can just go in the calendar, and I'm just going to block the 24. And if you want to repeat those, you will be able to do that. If you want to add comments to that time off or block, you can just add those. Simple as that. Once you do that, and if you want to go into the calendar, let's just see it for the month. And then when you go to the 24th, that, as you can see, day is fully blocked.